Okay, everybody. So I want to share with you how you can create something called a Flipgrid short. It's a great way to flip your classroom or simply create a screencast, and it's at your fingertips. So basically, what you would do is you would log into Flipgrid and then go up to Shorts. Shorts will allow you to create 10-minute videos of your choice to then distribute to students. So one of the videos that I've recently created is right here. I'll just share this with you. Hey everybody, so my first word of the day today is run. See how I'm running across my screen? Oh. So one of the things you could possibly use this is for virtual word lists. And so I want to share with you how you can do that right now. So first of all, you would go to record a video. When you record a video, you'll see your screen right up here. Now, my screen's a little bit distorted right now because I have Screencastify going in the background. However, what I can do is I can add different effects. So for example, if I wanted to add some type of board where I can maybe graph out a problem, solve a math problem, even go right here, have lined paper. There's all sorts of different backgrounds that I can choose from on Flipgrid. So that's something that you could do. Let's just show you how it would work with graphing paper. I would hit record. It gives me a 3, 2, 1 countdown. And then I can go right here to effects and use the drawing tool to draw, say, for instance, a math problem like you see so. And then I can pause. Once I pause, I can actually clear off my board right here. So I'm going to clear it off and get rid of this background, this board, simply by clicking here. Another thing that I could do is I could actually add pictures. So I'm going to go right here where it says photos, and I'm going to add a photo. And earlier I had actually added a Bitmoji, and I just saved a Bitmoji from the Bitmoji Chrome extension. And then I added a word right here, and I have some different styles. And then I can record my video. So I'll click on record, and then the best part is I can move this particular person, and I just kind of flip them off the screen so that he could go in. Then I can go ahead and hit pause. There's other effects that I can do as well, such as adding emojis. I could add frames. I could add a variety of different tools. When I'm completely finished, I can also do this. I can record my screen. I can upload my own clip. I can even mirror a video. So let's say that I'm finished. So when I'm completely finished, what I can then do, and let me just shrink this down. Let's see here. I'm going to click here. I'm going to go and hit next. Once I hit countdown, and then I can hit next again. I'm going to have to take a selfie. If I don't like taking a selfie, I can most certainly use the board icon. I can add a picture, or I can just do something like this, where I can add an emoji and put that emoji over my face, as you see right here, and then I can take my picture. Next, I'll hit next, and it uploads right into Flipgrid. Now, how do I get this to my students? Well, it's real simple. I can click right here on my video, and I can copy this link and put it in my learning management system, or I can simply click right down here to post it to Google Classroom. If I'm using Google Classroom, I'll simply click and I'll add to my class. I'll choose what action. So let's say, for instance, I want students to create an assignment off of this. Then I'll hit go. And once I hit go, I can add in any other details that I would like for this assignment. Hit assign, and now students will be able to view this assignment. And when they view this assignment, it will look like so. This is the video right here, and then they can click on it and look at my video. So that's a quick and easy way to create what is called a Flipgrid short. Remember, you have 10 minutes or less to do that. And that works out very nicely. And whether you're in a remote situation, a hybrid situation, or you're simply practicing blended learning in your classroom. Talk to you later. Have a great day.